All right, so on this check your work, I'm only going to do numbers 10, 11, and 12 because number 13 is a math on the spot, and you should have watched the video that went with that, and it would have walked you through what to do. So let's look at these. Number 10, write math. What if you poured 1 liter of water into container B? Describe the way the water fills the container and how you know. Okay, so let's see. This is full. If I pour this into this container, what do you think is going to happen? What if you poured 1 liter of water into container B? Describe what would happen. So when I'm looking at these two containers, this one is kind of tall and skinny, and this one is short and wide. But they look like they would hold about the same amount. So if I'm going to explain how I know this, I'm going to say container B will probably, since I can't know for sure because they aren't real containers and I can't actually check it, I'm going to say probably hold the full liter. Because they look like, it looks like it would, right? And I said probably because I don't know for sure. So I can't say it will hold the full liter. I can say it will probably hold the full liter. Container B is shorter than A, but it is wider than A as well. So that's my explanation. Yes, it's not the same size, but it's wider, so it'll probably hold the same amount. So that's my thinking. Let's look at number 11. Bryson filled 2 containers full with water. One container held 2 liters, the other container held 250 milliliters. Which 2 containers did he fill? All right, 2 liters and 250 milliliters, and we have all 5 of these to choose from. Well, if this is 1 liter, I need one that's twice as big. So I'm leaning towards C, because if I took this size, I would say, okay, that's about there. And they look to be the same width. So if that's 1 liter, then that would be 2. And that would be the 2 liter one. And then 250 milliliters. Well, that would probably be E because all the rest of these are huge. So, which 2 containers did he fill? I would say container C holds 2 liters. Container E holds 250 milliliters because it's smaller than the rest of them. Because A holds a liter. All right. Let's see. Number 12. Name 2 containers that will be filled with about the same number of liters of water. So we're looking for 2 that would be about the same. 2 that would be about the same. Well, when I'm looking at these, we've already answered this question because we said container B will probably hold the same amount. So A and B would be the 2 that would probably hold the same. Let's see. I'm going to say, and then it has us explaining. So containers A and B will hold about the same because why? Well, container A is tall and skinny. Container B is short. Oh, I forgot my S. And wide. But they still hold about the same amount. Okay? And then you worked on number 13 using the Math on the Spot video. So, how are we feeling about liters and milliliters? Is it making sense? I sure hope so. On the next couple of pages, you'll have questions to answer about milliliters and liters. Remember, you are using metric units for liquid volume. Milliliter and liter are your two measurements that you'll be using. Milliliters are small, liters are large. If it's not enough to hold a liter, then you would measure it with milliliters. Okay, and you have this page to answer as well. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please get a hold of me.